Huh?
Someone smashed the glass here?
No.
Oh.
No, he just is that one. So this will make sure you pull the stab and then you press on that and it will come right out. So here you got one, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, once we got these, so it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so here you want to remove these 4 torque screws. Okay, and then if this is in the down position, you guys want to pull this up to the up position. Just put it on the up position by grabbing a flathead screwdriver and then doing this screw. It will raise the knob to the up position. Okay, all the way up. Once it's up, you guys will be able to retract this like this, and then there will be a little lever. It's gonna be that one. Let me show you guys. Let's see if you can see it better. So it's gonna be, this is the lever that gets stuck every time. See how you can move it? So what you want to do, you want to put a tape or a zip tie so that it stays. stays like this. There's a gear. Right. So that's what you wanna keep it on. And in this way it will let you move the gear knob and it won't get stuck anymore. You guys can leave it like this, or the main reason that this happens is because the components inside over time they heat up with the engine heat or the transmission heat anything like the engine bay, and then that will make the over time it will make the components, the micro components, condensers, capacitors, all that go bad. So you have to redo this thing. If you guys want the issue fixed, you have to send it to a specialized job workshop, and these kind of shops will resolder all the components and reprogram the knob. So for me, I don't want to spend money, so I'm okay with having this retracted always. Alright guys, so I put a couple zip ties and that's pulling this lever this way, so now it will, you guys can change the gear without having the knob getting stuck, so it's not gonna get stuck anymore. Okay, so we're gonna put our torch twist back again, and we're gonna put this back into the car, and it should be working again.
You're mine for sure.